Hi, good afternoon from Vanderbilt. It's Josie. I am in Belmont House at the moment, and I'm just gonna show you all these beautiful flowers in this park. It's a lovely park. There's lovely flowers there. Beautiful. Yeah. This is a wall.
They got poker, they call that, I think.
This one.
The orange one there.
Yeah. That one there.
South Africa, I think.
South Africa.
Oh, I could be wrong.
Yeah. I might just had a short video with this one, so if it runs out, then
It's iris, isn't it?
yeah. Oh, it's beautiful, this one. Lovely.
That's a nice, beautiful yellow, isn't it?
Oh, it's lovely flowers. That leaves there. That look, the flowers is coming up now as well. And actually, you can see it's raining. So this is the
Nuttery.
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 What is that nuttery? Nut.
Not nuts.
Nut. This is a nut.
You are nuts.
You are nuts. This is nuts. This is nuts and you are nuts. Oh, it's lovely in here. It's beautiful. Look at that. Just quickly film all these lovely flowers. I like that red.
Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it? That one. Beautiful red. Oh, wow. This red is really lovely, this red. Oh, it's beautiful. That one. It's close up. That one there is nice.
No, lupins.
Lupins.
Well, I'm not sure they are. Yeah, right there. Lupins.
Oh, it's beautiful. All this. I'm actually filming in the rain.
These are beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah, this is lovely.
Iris.
It's iris. Oh. And all these leaves here, these beautiful leaves. And there's lupis. And that's it. I hope you enjoy this. It's lovely. Jubbly. We are filming in the rain. As you can see, it's raining. I'm just gonna check if I'm still on. Yes, we're still on. Because we might run out of space. Yeah. This is a beautiful park. Another kitchen garden. This is a kitchen garden. Oh, lovely. Very simple. That's nice. All the flowers there. And then we can go inside, Mandy.
Yeah.
Quickly go inside. Now we're going inside. I'm just checking if we're still in because we might run out of space. Yeah.
Still cooking with gas. So,
That's lovely. Look, we're like a king and queen going in here.
Arbor of Roses.
Ah, lovely. Here we go. Like a tunnel, a little tunnel. There we go. This is a kitchen garden.
Oh, there it is. No, that was kitchen garden.
This is a
Formal garden.
formal garden now. We just passed the kitchen garden. And all that topia right there. Look. Look. Lovely. You can film it, my dear. Yeah, film it, my dear. Oh, it's nice, that one. No, it's sunny.
Yeah.
Better. I like that red. Oh, can I get into that red? I want that red. Look, it's beautiful. Oh, beautiful, all this red. That's my favorite color, red. That's lovely. And all these roses, beautiful roses. Hello. Hello.
How are you?
Good. Good. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? Now we're coming out in here. There we go again, that red one. Oh, I'm still there. I'm still there.
Still there.
Yeah. You're still there too. Yeah, what is that? Unusual, isn't it? This is different, this one. Look.
Got a bit of snow, isn't it?
Very nice.
In the summertime.
Summer's day. And all these white roses. Cypress, and this beautiful rose, pink, baby pink.
You're a beautiful rose.
Yes, of course I am, whether you like it or not.
Sit down, please.
I'm a beautiful rose, whether you like it or not. Still in. That's water lily. This is the other side of the garden now. It's the other angles of the garden, which is beautiful. And that one there, this is
Those Cadbury's eggs, aren't
water lily.
they? Inside of a Cadbury's egg.
Oh, yeah, it's water lily. Yeah. Go in there. Ocean pond. This is a water lily pond. It's amazing, isn't it? In here. It's lovely, isn't it? That's quite nice there, isn't it?
We've got lettuce and cabbage there.
Yeah, that's right. Just paint this one. The other angle. This is the lettuce, cabbage.
Oh, this is all lettuce.
Oh, lettuce.
Yeah, different varieties.
These are all lettuce.
Yeah.
Beautiful, isn't it? All lettuce for salad.
Food for the restaurant. Yeah.
Restaurant, for the restaurant here. They use it for the restaurant in here. It's all lettuce. You see? It's like rose, isn't it? Like rose. It's beautiful. That's when if they had some events. How do you call that one? Tent. This is nice.
Weddings as well.
Yeah, it's for wedding. We normally had weddings as well in here. All these leaves, beautiful leaves. It's beautiful leaves here, like little castle, a gallery. Oh, so many of them, I don't know where to go. There's a chair there, but it's wet. Yeah. Say hello.
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 How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Yeah. That's it. I'm there. I am there. We got about 14 minutes. Still going. We carry on walking until it goes.
Yeah, you can keep some for Minster Beach.
Oh, another time.
Oh,
Yeah, okay. Well, It's not much anyway.
Oh, well.
Yeah, not much. I hope you enjoy my video today. We are in Belmont House, and I'm just gonna get a descriptions in my channel. So I say goodbye now, and thank you very much for watching. It's me, Josie from Gandabel,
That's me.
in Chef.
From where?
From where?
From somewhere.
From somewhere. the lovely folks. We are the lovely folks. Okay, bye
Lovely
bye.
folk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching my channel from Gandabel. The rain stopped now anyway. So it's a nice weather again. The sun is out. Bye bye.